Hey friends, today in my lab I will show you how you can enable PIN options for sign in Windows 11 on domain. Currently this Windows operating system that is having only password method to log in or sign in on this machine. When you go on the sign in with PIN, so this will not allow you because currently this machine is configured in a domain and it says this option is currently unavailable. So it means once you just install your operating system and you just moved in your domain, so there are some settings that needs to be enabled from the Active Directory domain controller, then only you can enable this PIN options. So let's see. So this is Windows 11 machine. Now we will go on Windows operating system where our domain controller is configured. So let's go. This is the domain controller and I will go on the group policy. So by default, once you move your machine in domain, so this PIN option is not allowed to configure for the users. So in that case, what you need to do, just open the GPMC, and inside the GPMC you need to configure a group policy. And if you want to configure the default domain policy, so just go on the default domain policy, but I would recommend to create a new group policy and then only move forward. In the administrative templates, you need to click on the Windows component and system, and inside the system, so you don't require to go on the Windows component. Simply you will go on the administrative templates and system and then log on. This is the log on option. Inside the log on options, you need to go on the turn on convenience PIN sign in. So these options need to be enabled. If you go through this description, so this will say like if you disable or do not configure this policy setting, a domain users can't set up and use a convenience PIN. So currently this was by default not configured. That's why a user which is trying to set the PIN on the domain machines, this was not allowing. So you need to just enable this option and click OK, and close this group policy snap in, and go on the client machine again, and here you need to run the gp update and force. This will just force the group policy which we just configured. We changed on the domain controller and we made the changes inside the default domain policy, but I suggested you to just create a new group policy and then you can test it. Now this group policy has been applied successfully on this client machine. Now we will go again to check the sign-in options with PIN, and inside this sign-in options with PIN is now it's available. Earlier it was showing that unavailable. Click over here and then you can set up the PIN. This will ask you to put the password for the current user, so you can apply the PIN options for this user. Now I am putting one of the PIN, and click on OK. It's saying that you need to put the minimum 6 character, so I am putting over here. Now 6 character has been applied. Now this PIN option has been enabled. Close this and then sign out this machine and validate this whether this PIN option is working, or so yes, this PIN option is available. I will put the PIN which we just configured. Now this is allowing to enter inside this machine. So this is the method that you need to follow to enable the PIN options for your Windows machine which is configured on domain. Thank you for watching this video.